Okay, 5.5.1, side angle side similarity theorem. So unlike the angle-angle similarity postulate, this is a theorem that we're going to prove, and the theorem says, as you can see here, if an angle of one triangle is congruent to another, and the sides including those angles are proportional, then the triangles are similar. So all we know is that the angles are congruent, and we know that BG relates to DE the same way that BH relates to DF. So that's our given. And the plan for the proof, as you can see at the bottom here, label X on GB so that DE, right, so that we can use the ruler postulate and basically say, how long is that? We need this over here to be just that long, and let's make this X. Let's also then take and go parallel to the bottom and label this Y. Now, from past experience, we know that the top triangle, right, the pink triangle, is similar to the large purple triangle that we already know about, right? This one right here. Right? And so one of the plan for the proof is to somehow get the pink triangle to be congruent to, right? So pink is going to be congruent to red. Wouldn't that be awesome? And we can do that by taking the proof, which we already have over here, right? So we already have, sorry, the given is right there. From the fact that these two triangles on the left are similar, we also know that BX relates to BG the same way that BY, right, relates to BH. Oh, stop doing that. Right. But from experience, we know that DE and BX are the same. So DE is the same as BX. So DE relates to BG the same way that BY relates to BH. But if you think about what's going on up here in the given, right, we know that DF relates to BH the same. Whoa, stop doing that. DF relates to BH, right? Now, if we look at this situation right here, BY relates to BH the same way that DF relates to BH. Well, doesn't that mean that BY must be equal to DF? Yes, it does. So DF is related to BY, sorry, is equal to BY. We already knew that these two over here were congruent. So therefore, those two triangles are congruent. And since we know that large triangle is similar to small, if small is congruent to other small, then large must be congruent, sorry, similar to small over here. And again, the congruence that we used over here was side angle side. Nice.